This video will show you how to make a beautiful bow and how to attach onto a French hair clip. We will make our hair bow first. We will be using satin ribbon 2 inches wide. This is 18 inches long, 15 inches, 12 inches, and 11 inches. A piece of fabric for our centerpiece and our French hair clip. We will set aside this ribbon and these two we will heat seal to avoid fraying. Grab our 11 inches long ribbon, fold to find the center. Grab your needle and thread, we will start sewing. Then our next ribbon, the 12 inches long. Now we will go ahead with the tail of our bow. Our 15 inches long ribbon, fold to find the center. Next is our 18 inches long ribbon. Pull the thread to gather all the ribbons together. Wrap the thread around to secure the shape. In this next part, we will attach the French hair clip to our beautiful bow. We will tackle this process together with a detailed step-by-step guide. First, we will pull this out. Glue the clip and attach to the bow. Next is this centerpiece. Fold. Attach. Cut the excess fabric. Heat seal. And glue. We'll be adding a felt fabric backing here, but this is optional. By doing this, it will add a clean finish to the product. We will return this piece back. Just add a gentle push so you can insert it down. Then, we will cut the edge into a diagonal shape. Heat seal. It's finished! I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or needed further help. See you again next time!